What is a p-value? How do you interpret it? So, the p-value is basically a way of measuring how surprising our data would be if the null hypothesis were actually true. In other words, it's the probability of getting results at least as extreme as the ones we observed, just by random chance, assuming the null hypothesis holds. For example, if I run an A/B test for a new website feature and I get a p-value of 0.03, that means that if there were really no difference between version A and version B, there's only a 3% chance I'd see data this extreme. Since that's below the usual cutoff of 0.05, I'd say the result is statistically significant and I'd reject the null. But it's important to stress, the p-value does not tell us the probability that the null hypothesis is true. That's a really common misunderstanding. It only tells us how consistent the data is with the assumption that the null is true. So, in short, a small p-value means the data is unlikely under the null, which gives us evidence against it. A large p-value means the data looks pretty normal under the null, so we don't have enough evidence to reject it.